Hi, and welcome to our online guide to operating OrCam Read 3, your key to unlock new choices for independence. Your OrCam Read 3 includes 3 components: our next-generation online magnifier, the OrCam Read 3 device, our stationary stand. Upon receipt of your OrCam Read 3, you'll receive a registration email from OrCam. Click on the link for social login, or create a new account using your email address. Once you have finished, and if you've created a new account, you'll receive a confirmation email. Then please click on the confirmation button to continue. Now you'll need to enter your Wi-Fi details. Make sure to connect your OrCam Read 3 to the same network as your computer or tablet, and then click on the Connect My Device button. A QR code will appear on your screen. Use the OrCam Read 3 device to scan, point and click, the QR code. Your device is now registered to your OrCam account and is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Please note the OrCam Web Magnifier automatically activates a real-time video stream from your device, so anything captured by the device will appear on your computer or tablet screen. Rest assured, since it's a completely closed system, your privacy is fully safeguarded. You can use your device to capture images on your OrCam Web Magnifier, or for hands-free use, place it on the stand. This way you'll have a more stable and extended engagement with any source of text, image, document, photo album, or anything else. To ensure maximum benefit, please make sure the stand is on a level and stable surface before mounting the device on it.